Many university graduates struggle to secure employment in their chosen fields. What factors might contribute to this issue, and what measures should be taken to address it?
The ever-evolving job market has made it increasingly challenging for university graduates to break into their desired professions. Despite holding top-notch qualifications, many find themselves unemployed or settling for roles outside their expertise. This essay explores the root causes of this dilemma and proposes actionable solutions to bridge the gap between academia and industry demands. One glaring issue is the mismatch between academic curricula and real-world requirements. Universities often lag behind in updating programs to keep pace with technological advancements and industry trends. For instance, while tech companies cry out for data science or AI proficiency, many computer science courses fall short of teaching cutting-edge tools like Python for machine learning. Consequently, graduates miss the boat in highly competitive sectors. To tackle this, institutions must gear coursework towards emerging fields and collaborate with industries to roll out practical modules, ensuring students hit the ground running. Another stumbling block is the lack of hands-on experience. Employers increasingly prize candidates who can navigate workplace challenges, yet many graduates fall flat during tasks requiring teamwork or problem-solving. For example, engineering firms prefer applicants with internship exposure over those with run-of-the-mill academic credentials. Universities should double down on partnerships to offer apprenticeships, allowing students to get a feel for industry expectations. Such initiatives kill two birds with one stone, equipping learners with skills while letting employers spotlight potential hires early. Governments also have a role to play. By stepping up funding for vocational training and offering tax incentives to firms hiring graduates, they can ease the burden on both job seekers and companies. Germany's dual education system, which blends classroom learning with paid internships, paves the way for smoother school-to-work transitions. Similarly, phasing out outdated degrees and channeling resources into high-demand sectors like renewable energy could level the playing field. In conclusion, tackling graduate unemployment requires a multi-pronged approach. Universities must align programs with market needs, industries should open doors to practical training, and governments need to lend a hand through supportive policies. Only by joining forces can we ensure graduates stay ahead of the curve in today's cutthroat job market.
Breakdowns of the essay. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Paraphrase of the topic: many graduates with top qualifications are unemployed. Thesis statement: the essay explores the root causes of this dilemma and proposes actionable solutions to bridge the gap between academia and industry demands. Paragraph 2, mismatch between academic curricula and real-world requirements. Factor: a mismatch exists between academic curricula and real-world job market requirements. Universities are slow to update their programs to keep pace with technological advancements and industry trends. Solution: universities must adapt their coursework to emerging fields and collaborate with industries to incorporate practical modules. Example: tech companies seek data science or AI proficiency, but many computer science courses lack training in cutting-edge tools like Python for machine learning. Paragraph 3, lack of hands-on experience. Factor: many graduates lack hands-on work experience. Solution: universities should strengthen partnerships to offer apprenticeships and internships, providing students with practical experience. Example: engineering firms favor applicants with internship experience over those with only academic credentials. Paragraph 4. Government's role. Factor: governments need to support graduates' transition into the workforce. Solution: governments can increase funding for vocational training and offer tax incentives to companies hiring graduates. Example: Germany's dual education system, blending classroom learning with paid internships, facilitates smoother school-to-work transitions. Phasing out outdated degrees and redirecting resources to high-demand sectors, like renewable energy, would also help. Paragraph 5. Conclusion. Summary: tackling graduate unemployment requires a multi-pronged approach. Restatement of thesis: universities must align programs with market needs, industries should provide practical training opportunities, and governments need to implement supportive policies. Idioms. Miss the boat means to fail to take an opportunity. Hit the ground running means to start a job or task immediately and effectively. Kill two birds with one stone means to achieve two things at once. Paves the way means to make something easier or possible. Stay ahead of the curve means to be innovative and forward-thinking. Phrasal verbs: break into means to enter a field or market. Settle for means to accept something less desirable. Cry out for means to urgently need something. Fall short of means to fail to meet expectations. Fall flat means to fail to have the desired effect. Gear towards means to adapt or focus on a specific goal. Roll out means to launch or introduce something new. Step up means to take on more responsibility. Ease the burden means to reduce a difficulty or problem. Phase out means to gradually stop using something. Channel into means to direct resources or efforts towards something. Collocations: job market. Top-notch qualifications. Root causes. Actionable solutions. Academic curricula. Real-world requirements. Keep pace with. Technological advancements. Industry trends. Cutting-edge tools. Highly competitive sectors. Gear coursework towards. Practical modules. Hands-on experience. Workplace challenges. Problem solving. Internship exposure. Run-of-the-mill academic credentials. Double down on. Get a feel for. Industry expectations. Vocational training. Tax incentives. Ease the burden. Dual education system. School-to-work transitions. Phasing out. Channeling resources. High-demand sectors. Level the playing field. Graduate unemployment. Multi-pronged approach. Align programs with market needs. Open doors to. Lend a hand. Supportive policies. Cutthroat job market. Related phrases. Bridge the gap. Industry demands. Academic training.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.